Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Russell update for you guys. Russell right now sitting at 5.58 mil market cap. Russell what is this? CMC updating. Oh my gosh! Yo! What the frick? Yo, no what? Yo! Okay, this is going to billion. What? What is Coinmarketcap? Oh, Binance is letting us. Y'all know CZ Binance owns Coinmarketcap, right? When you click on the green thing right here, it literally shows you the date Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong replies to Russell. The insiders are here. Oh my god. Y'all. You see, this the thing as well too. What's so crazy is that someone in my reply said Brian Armstrong is not bullish on Russell. They said he's not, but then I said he replies to them. So he has when he has never replied to meme coins. He knows it's not like he's an idiot. The man is a genius, a multi-billionaire. He's a genius. He knows the Russell account is replying to him. He knows it's a meme coin, or he knows it's like a fan account of his dog. He knows it. That's why he replies to the account. And here you have CMC letting you know, hey, Brian Armstrong be replying to Russell, and you don't have any exposure. You know what? Y'all don't want to make money, man. This is crazy. I did not expect this, man. I took a screenshot from my thumbnail. This is insane. Even CMC, I don't know if it's CZ Binance. I don't know who decided to put this here, right? So you could click it and see when Brian Armstrong replied to Russell recently. I have no clue who did it. I don't know if it was CZ. I don't know if it's a Coinmarketcap intern. But this is a sign, in my opinion, that something is going on behind the scenes here. So, like I said, 100,000 Russell is the way to go. Never invest more than you're willing to lose, guys. This shocked me today. My heart is racing because I never saw this. This just got added recently. I've never seen this in my previous videos. This just got added recently, right? So I don't know if, Brian Armstrong or somebody from Coinbase reached out to Coinmarketcap like, yo, put that there. Somebody did it. Somebody connected did it as well. Because you don't just get the catalyst marks on any coin. They only put it on coins that they see have like success or a massive potential. You see the bookmarks of like when they got listed on Binance, or when they got Binance Alpha, or when they got Coinbase listing, etc. Right? They literally put it's not even an exchange listing, because most of the time when I see these pop-ups, it's CEX, centralized exchange listings, right? Like, for example, you take a look at Toshi, for example. I'm sure they have like the pop-up for like when it got listed on Coinbase or something. Let me see. Let's take a look actually, right? You're gonna see it here. Somebody added, you see right here, the pop-ups right here. Toshi listed on Upbit, OKX, right? And then go back here. Toshi listed on Bybit Futures. Toshi listed on Coinbase Spot. Somebody put this pop-up here. Coinbase. Who did this? The insiders are here. I'm telling you. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong replied to Russell. Come on, man. Y'all ain't want to make no money if you ain't got some exposure to this. Y'all ain't have to put in a big bag. You don't. You don't have to put in no 5, 10, 20K. You don't. You could just buy 100,000 Russell for $558 right now, right? Hold it to high valuations and take profits on the way up. This is so bullish. I ain't talking about anything else but this today in this video. That's crazy. I don't know what. And it's so funny because, like I said, I literally just replied to someone that says, Brian Armstrong isn't bullish on Russell, but he does reply. He never replies to memes. He doesn't. Most of these posts he replies to people, he's replying to Russell. He replies to Russell in most of these tweets that he makes. When you see a Russell reply, he doesn't really reply. Other meme accounts be like under his tweets and be like, love what we see, Brian, love what you see, bald man, but he doesn't reply to them. He only replies to the Russell account. Something's happening here. Speculation. Something is going on. So as always, guys, like I said, Russell in a great spot. Trend is not broken. Still holding the floors around above 5 mil. This is super bullish stuff. I wonder what do I title this. Coinmarketcap insiders signal Russell to billions. That sounds cool. I think that's cool. Yeah, that sounds cool. Binance insiders signal Russell to billions. As always, none of this is financial advice. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Like and subscribe. Share the videos. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Please don't do that. And I'll catch you in the next.